11 amazing homemade sugar scrub recipes. Though sugar is mostly utilized as a flavor enhancer, it can be transformed into much more than a delectable treat. With a sugar body scrub, you can naturally exfoliate and smooth the skin without clogging pores. Sweeten up your shower routine with 11 sugar scrub recipes and ideas. Building a sugar scrub. One of the best benefits of creating your own body scrub at home is the ability to save on money while still securing the benefits of its use. A DIY sugar scrub is not only inexpensive but simple and requires minimal time for preparation. The ingredients and instructions below is a simple sugar scrub recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup sugar, granulated white or brown types, 1 cup oil, olive or coconut, melted, optional essential oils, spices, and vitamin E oil drops. Instructions: mix the equal parts of desired sugar and oil with essential oils and other desired ingredients. Store in an airtight container or mason jar until its use or in between uses. As needed, use 1 to 2 tablespoons in the shower. In a gentle, circular motion, apply the scrub to desired areas of the body, including the face, neck, throat, elbows, hands, and heels. 11 sugar scrub recipes and ideas. Though the basic sugar scrub recipe still remains beneficial, sweeten up your recipes with these ideas and variations. 1. Key lime. 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup coconut oil, 10 drops of lime essential oil, 1 teaspoon lime zest, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2. Vanilla bean. 1/2 cup white sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 cup coconut oil, scrapings from 4 vanilla beans, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, dash of cinnamon. 3. Chocolate mint. 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup olive oil, 15 drops of mint essential oil, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. 4. Pumpkin spice. 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, or mixture of cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, cloves, and allspice. 5. Lemon basil. 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup olive oil, 1 lemon freshly squeezed and zested, 2 teaspoons fresh or dried basil leaves, drizzle of honey. 6. Coffee bean. 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup coconut oil, 5 tablespoons ground coffee, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 7. Sweet grapefruit. 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup olive oil, 1 freshly squeezed grapefruit, drizzle of honey. 8. Oatmeal cookie. 1/2 cup white sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup oats, 1 cup coconut oil, 1 drop vanilla extract. 9. Creamsicle. 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup coconut oil, 1 freshly squeezed orange and its zest, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 10. Coconut cream pie. 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup coconut oil, 2 tablespoons shredded coconut, 1 drop coconut extract. 11. Green tea. 1 cup white sugar, 3/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup brewed green tea, 1 bag green tea, open and use the loose tea, drizzle of honey. The mentioned recipes and variations are just a handful of ways to create a DIY body scrub. Have fun experimenting with different ingredients, including varying oils such as grapeseed, almond, and avocado oils. Simply enjoy for yourself or give as a thoughtful, handmade gift.